In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add email addresses to the Safe Senders list in Gmail. This is a useful process that ensures important emails don't land in your spam folder, and you receive messages from trusted contacts without any disruptions. Whether you're working on personal correspondence or managing professional contacts, keeping specific senders safe is crucial to maintaining open and reliable communication. First, you'll want to open your Gmail account and start from the main page, also known as your inbox. From here, we're going to direct our attention to the top right corner where you'll find the gear icon. It's the shortcut to your settings menu. Click on it, and this will cause a drop-down menu to appear. From this menu, select See All Settings. This option gives you access to the full spectrum of settings that Gmail offers. Once the settings page opens, you'll see multiple tabs running across the top of the screen. Locate and click on the Filters and Blocked Addresses tab. This is your go-to control center when customizing how Gmail handles specific senders. On this tab, there's an option to create a new filter located near the middle of the page. Click on this. A dialog box will appear, presenting you with various fields to fill in. In the From section of this dialog box, type the email address you want to add to your Safe Senders list. Be precise with this step to ensure emails from this sender aren't mistakenly filtered. After entering the address, move to the bottom right corner of the dialog box and click Create Filter. Gmail then prompts you with a list of options detailing actions to apply to emails from the sender. You'll want to focus on the checkbox labeled Never Send It to Spam. By selecting this option, you ensure future emails from this address bypass your spam folder completely. Once you've selected this option, click on the Create Filter button once more. This saves the filter and activates it within your Gmail account. Now, emails from the selected address will be treated according to the filter settings you've just applied. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added an email address to your Safe Senders list in Gmail. This process is helpful in maintaining uninterrupted communication with your important contacts, reducing the chance of missing out on essential messages because of inaccurate filtering. If you have several contacts you wish to safeguard, simply repeat these steps for each email address. Thank you for watching today's guide. I hope you found it helpful, and if you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Make sure to subscribe for more practical tips and easy-to-follow tutorials. Have a great day.